like chilling
Just
next to the
because it's a hot day.
We're gonna pick that up.
I
Don't
was
worry.
just sort of, yeah. I was just sort of like you know, just putting my hand in the sun because it felt nice. And then I just was like, you know, just like touching the grasses, and then I felt a bird. I felt like a bird, just a small bird, just like the wing just went smack,
And then it
and
jumped
then it
out
flew
into
away,
there and then
it's
flew
just
away.
around us. And I was like, what's up? And I saw sort of like a little hay a little bit down there, and I was like, that's sus. And I found this.
They're baby birds.
Baby birds.
Don't touch them.
They're asking Mama to like for food and stuff.
They look a little cold, maybe. It's really windy
But
right
it's
now.
like it is so like, oh my gosh, like I didn't expect that.
This is just a
little potty.
yeah,
plant.
just like sitting in a little.
But the thing is this, it has irrigation, so that's it's going to keep nice and moist in there for the birdies and everything. So that must be nice for them. We better go out of here so the mama bird can come back, because I think she's up. She's on top of that thing right there. She's watching us. She's on top of that little trellis.
Probably. Oh yeah, I see. See there?
Yeah, we better get going.